Fire extinguisher price in Bangladesh. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss an essential safety device every household should have, fire extinguishers. Do you know how much it costs to buy one in Bangladesh? Let's find out. Why are fire extinguishers important? Fire extinguishers are a crucial safety component that can prevent small fires from becoming big, life-threatening situations. Having a fire extinguisher at home or in the office can help you contain a fire before it gets out of control, potentially saving lives and property. Types of fire extinguishers. There are different types of fire extinguishers, and each type is designed to put out different types of fires. The most common types of fire extinguishers are A, B, C, D, and K. Type A extinguishers are used for fires involving combustibles like wood, paper, and fabric. Type B extinguishers are used for fires involving flammable liquids like fuel, oil, and grease. Type C extinguishers are used for electrical fires. Type D extinguishers are used for fires involving metals like magnesium, titanium, and sodium. Type K extinguishers are used for industries that involve combustible materials like cooking oils and fats. Fire extinguisher price in Bangladesh. Now let's talk about the burning question. How much do these essential safety devices cost in Bangladesh? The good news is, prices of fire extinguishers have become more affordable in recent years. You can find a fire extinguisher in Bangladesh starting from BDT 1000 to BDT 7000, depending on the type, size, and brand. However, it's important to remember that purchasing an extinguisher is an investment in your safety, and it's always best to choose a high-quality device that suits your needs and budget. Where to buy fire extinguishers in Bangladesh? You can find fire extinguishers in many hardware and safety equipment shops across the country. It's always recommended to buy from reputable suppliers who can provide warranties and maintenance support. Remember, a fire extinguisher is only useful if everyone knows how to use it correctly. Make sure to read the instructions that come with the device and educate your family members, colleagues, or employees on how to use it in case of an emergency. That's it for today's video. Do you have a fire extinguisher at home or in your workplace? Share your thoughts in the comment section below.